It's called Trabectedin, brand name Yondelis from PharmaMar, and it's received its marketing approval this week on the basis of a pivotal trial comparing two different regimens of administration, a weekly administration versus a 3-weekly administration over 24 hours. The 3-weekly administration was statistically superior in terms of progression-free survival. And on the basis of that, it's been recommended for treatment of patients who have disease that's refractory to doxorubicin and ifosfamide. And that's the first time that a new drug has been licensed in this setting of refractory sarcoma, well, virtually ever. The drug should be available. It has the advantages of lacking any cumulative toxicity. So there's no organ-specific toxicity like renal, cardiac, such as you get with doxorubicin and ifosfamide, which enables the drug to be given continuously for long periods of time to patients with stable disease. And we've seen in a subset of patients, probably around 30% of patients will experience prolonged disease stabilization. The advantage in the pivotal trial was seen in patients, well, the trial was conducted in patients with liposarcoma and leiomyosarcoma, and the signal was strongest in those where on pathology review they genuinely did have those diseases. There's a subset of liposarcoma that seems even more where the drug seems to be even more active than in the global population of liposarcoma. That's myxoid round cell liposarcoma, which is driven by a specific translocation. There's work ongoing to define exactly what the mechanism of action is in that subtype. The plan for first line would be currently to continue investigating it in combination with doxorubicin or pegylated liposomal doxorubicin, and then probably to consider doing a first line trial of a combination.